Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have learned subtraction and multiplication of fractions. Hope you have revised well. And in today's session, we shall discuss the division of fractions. Let's begin. Division of fractions. When we divide a fraction by a fraction, we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Here the dividend is a by b. A by b divided by the divisor is c by d. So a by b divided by c by d is equal to first fraction a by b into the reciprocal of the second. That means into d by c. Let's take an example. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 8 is equal to, first write the same fraction 3 by 4. Here division means into the reciprocal of the second. That means the reciprocal of 2 by 8 by 2. So we can cancel 4 and 8. 1 4s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 and 2 cancel. The answer is 3. Then we shall discuss the first question from exercise 2.3. Find the reciprocal of each of the following numbers. First question 5 by 9. You have to find out the reciprocal of 5 by 9. So the reciprocal of 5 by 9 is, you swap the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 5 by 9 is equal to 9 by 5. This second question 7. 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Okay. So the reciprocal of 7 is equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7. The third question 5 1 by 2. 5 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. First we convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 5 1 by 2 is equal to 2 multiplying 5 by 2. 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So we have to find out the reciprocal of 11 by 2. So the reciprocal of 11 by 2 is equal to 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Second question, evaluate the following expressions. A, 5 by 6 divided by 7. So 5 by 6 divided by 7 can be written as 7 by 1. 7 by 1 is equal to 5 by 6. Here the operation is division. So multiplying the reciprocal of second. 1 by 7 is equal to 5 into 1. 5 by 6 into 7. 42. 5 by 42. The second question 6 divided by 4 by 7. So 6 can be written as 6 by 1 divided by 4 by 7 is equal to 6 by 1. Division means multiplying the reciprocal of second. So 7 by 4 is equal to, here we can cancel 6 and 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 is equal to 3 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 is equal to 21 by 2. The third one 7 by 8 divided by 3 by 16. So 7 by 8 into the reciprocal of 3 by 16. 16 by 3. We can cancel 8 and 16. 1 8 is 8 and 2 8s are 16. Is equal to 7 into 2 divided by 1 into 3 is equal to 7 2s are 14. 14 by 3. Next option F. 1 2 by 3 divided by 10 by 21. 1 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So convert it into improper fraction. 3 1 into 3 plus 2. 1 into 3 1 into 3 plus 2 divided by 10 by 21 is equal to 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. Here the operation is division. So multiplying the reciprocal of 10 by 21. 21 by 10. You can cancel 3 and 21. 7 3s are 21. 5 and 10. 2 5s are 10. Is equal to, here 1 into 7. 7 divided by 1 into 2, 2. 7 by 2. The next one, 5, 4 by 9 divided by 3, 1 by 2. These two fractions are mixed fraction. First convert these two fractions into an improper fraction. Is equal to 9, 5 into 9 plus 4 divided by, here the denominator is 2, 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 into 4, sorry 5 into 9, 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 49 by 9 divided by 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2 is equal to 49 by 9. Division means multiplying the reciprocal. So 2 by 7. You can cancel 7 and 49. 7 7s are 49. Is equal to 7 into 2 divided by 9 into 1 is equal to 7 2s are 14 by 9 into 1. 9. 14 by 9. Move on to the question number 3. Evaluate the following expressions. First one, 9 by 14 into 7 by 9 divided by 3 is equal to 9 by 14 into 7 by 9. Here the operation is division. So multiplying the reciprocal of 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. The reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. We can cancel 9 and 9 is equal to 7 into 1. Yeah, again cancel 7 and 14. 7, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. So in the numerator 1 divided by denominator 2 into 3 is equal to 1 by 6. The next question be 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 6 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 6 divided by, here the division means we have to multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 3, 3 by 1 is equal to, you can cancel 2 and 6, 2 3s are 6. So the numerator 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is an improper fraction. So convert into a mixed fraction. 9 by 4. 2 4s are 8. The balance 1. So 9 by 4 can be written as the quotient 2 into remainder 1 by divisor 2 1 by 4. Next option C, 3 1 by 5 divided by 8 by 15 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. 3 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So convert into an improper fraction. 5 3 into 5 plus 1 divided by 8 by 15 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 is equal to 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. So 16 by 5. Here the operation is division. So multiplying the reciprocal 15 by 8 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. Okay, we can cancel 8 and 16 2 times, 5 and 15 3 times. So 2 into 3 6 minus, here 3 and 6 cancel 2 times. So in the numerator 1 into 5 divided by 4 into 2, 8. 6 minus 5 by 8. 6 can be written as 6 by 1. 6 by 1 minus 5 by 8. Here the LCM is 8. So multiply 8 with the numerator 6. 6 into 8 minus, you write the same number, 5. Is equal to 48 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 43 by 8. 43 by 8 is an improper fraction. So convert it into a mixed fraction. 8 5s are 40. The balance 3 is equal to the quotient 5 into remainder by 3 by divisor 8. 5 3 by 8. Option D, 5 minus 3 divided by 2, 1 by 4 into 3 by 8. First, we have to go for division. So, first do this one. Is equal to 5 minus 3. Here division means right division. This is a mixed fraction. So, convert to improper fraction. 4. 2 into 4. 8. 8 plus 1, 9 into 3 by 8 is equal to 5 minus 3. Division means multiplying the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 9 by 4, 4 by 9 into 3 by 8. We can cancel 3 and 9. 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 8. Again, cancel 4 and 8. 2 4s are 8 and 3 3s are cancelled. Is equal to 5 minus, here the numerator is 1, denominator is 2. 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Here the LCM is 2. So here the denominator is 1. So multiply 2 with the numerator 5. 5 into 2 minus, here the denominator is 2. So write this numerator 1 is equal to 10 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is a mixed fraction. So dividing 4 2s are 8, balance 1 is equal to 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2. Then let's go to question number 4. Seema made 4 by 5 kilogram butter cake. She gave 2 by 25 kilogram of the cake to each of the children in her class. How many children are there in Seema's class? Given the quantity of cake she means Seema baked 4 by 5 kilogram. Then she gave 2 by 25 kilogram to each of the children. We have to find out the number of children in Seema's class. So the total quantity of cake is 4 by 5 kilogram. And Seema gave 2 by 25 kilogram to each of the children. So the number of children is equal to 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 25. 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 25. Quantity of cake Seema baked is equal to 4 by 5 kilogram. Quantity given to each of the children 2 by 25 kilogram. Therefore, the number of children in the class is equal to 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5. Here division means multiplying the reciprocal 25 by 2. We can cancel 5 by 25. 5 by 25. 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. Is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So the number of children in the class 10. Next question number 5. If 402 gram of silver costs rupees 99, how much does 1 gram of silver cost? What is given? Given the cost of 402 gram of silver, rupees 99. You have to find out the cost of 1 gram of silver is equal to 99 divided by 4 1 by 2. 99 divided by 4 1 by 2. Cost of 4 1 by 2 gram of silver is equal to rupees 99. Cost of 1 gram of silver is equal to 99 divided by 4 1 by 2 is equal to 99 divided by, it's a mixed fraction, so converted in proper fraction. 2, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 is equal to 99. This is division, so multiplying the reciprocal, 2 by 9, 9 and 9 cancel 11, so 11 into 2 is equal to 22, so rupees 22. With that question, we have completed the second chapter, fractions. Next, we shall discuss the third chapter, decimal. Let's recall the definition of decimal numbers. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal. Consider an example, 17.43. Here 17 is called the whole number part, and 43 is called the decimal part, and this is the decimal point. Whole number part, the decimal point, is the decimal part. Next one, like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places. For example, 0.123, 1.023, 15.120. These three decimal numbers are having 3 digits after the decimal. Means after the decimal, same number of digits. That's why they are like decimals. The next one, unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimal places. For example, 0.3, 0.12, 0.123. Here, the first decimal number is having after the decimal 1 digit. Second decimal number is having after the decimal 2 digits. Third decimal number is having after the decimal 3 digits. Means after the decimal the number of digits are different. They are unlike decimal. Next we shall discuss the multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 10. Move the decimal point 1 place to the right. For example, 7.518 into 10. Here, the decimal point is after 7. So, 7.518 into 10 means to move the decimal point 1 place to the right. So, 75.18. The next one, multiplication by 100. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. For example, 7.518 into 100. Here you move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So here. So 751. 751.8. 751.8. The last one, multiplication by 1000. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right. For example, 7.518 into 1000. Here the decimal point is after 7. So move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So 7580. For notes, 2.4 into 1.2 is equal to the product 2.88. Here 2.4 is the multiplicand and 1.2 is the multiplier. The answer 2.88 is the product. The first point, if the multiplier is greater than 1, the product is greater than the multiplicand. Here the multiplicand is 1.5 and multiplier is 2 and the product is 3. The multiplier is greater than 1. Here 2 is greater than 1. The product 3 is greater than 1.5. 3 is greater than the multiplicand. So 3 is greater than 1.5. The next point, if the multiplier is less than 1 and greater than 0, the product is less than the multiplicand. The product is less than the multiplicand. Example, 3 into 0.5 is equal to 1.5. Here the multiplicand is 3 and the multiplier is 0.5. The product is 1.5. Here the multiplier 0.5 is less than 1. So the product 1.5 is less than 3. 1.5 is less than 3. Today we have learned about like decimals, unlike decimals, multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.